y'all. So today, oh my gosh, I'm literally like freaking out because today we have insects. Ooh, right now I'm gonna try crickets, two different flavors of crickets, and a tarantula. So three different bugs. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let me clear out my pockets because what the heck, my pants and everything. It looks a little weird down there. I'll just mind your business, okay? Here are the Tom Yum crickets. Here they go. Here are the crickets. Yum, yum, yum. This one is supposed to taste like a zesty culinary adventure with vibrant blends of Thai seasoning and spices. Here is this is supposed to be over here. I don't know why that's right there. Here are the sesame coconut crickets. Not too much on my list because I know I have one. The sesame coconut crickets. These look good. They actually look good. And here is the tarantula in a bag. I don't know. I don't think I can touch it. I don't know which one I want to try first, but let's just go with the coconut crickets because I am okay with coconut. Am I okay with crickets? I don't know, but they gave me the package upside down. Y'all hear it? Okay. Let me put it close to the mic so y'all can hear. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. My heart is like literally like they don't smell. They don't smell like nothing to be honest. Okay. Okay. I'm just about to go for it. I don't want to mess. Okay. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, I literally can't. I don't even want to pick it up. Literally, I see the eyes. I don't want the eyes. Hydration. Okay. That wasn't bad. It actually tastes like a candy, like pecan. I don't like pecans, but that's what that tastes like. Now we're going to do, y'all, I really don't want to do this. Like, yes, it wasn't bad, but that don't mean it's okay for us to be eating this stuff. The Tom Yum crickets. Oh my gosh, I really am about to throw up. I can't. I can't do this. I don't want to do this. Like, who told me to do this? Like, full body. Full body. Oh, the leg. Okay. I'm a trooper. I did that. Okay. That other one tastes way better than that. This was absolutely, I couldn't, I literally can't. It's the ideal of a cricket. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do a tarantula, but let's do it. I'm literally about to cry. Like, literally, like, everything is fine. Everything is okay. But it's the simple fact, like, I'm really, I can't even open it. Like, my heart is in my butt right now. Like, my heart, I can't. I thought I was gonna be able to do this because the other ones were so easy. I'm not crying. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this for entertainment? Why am I doing this? I don't even want to touch this hair. Oh my gosh, there's hair. My eyelash is about to come off. That's how stressed I am. There's hair. Oh my god. Ah! I can't. I can't touch it. Oh my god, I can't touch it. I can't. Oh my god, I can't. I see the hair. Can y'all see the hair? I don't have to do this. I don't have to do this. I don't have to do this. Y'all, I'm literally like, I don't want to do it. I can't even grab it. I literally can't even grab it. Oh my god. Okay. Ah! Oh my god. I'm literally shaking right now. Like what? Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Like what the freak? I am scared. Like I don't want to put it down. I just want to put it down. I don't even want to eat it. I don't want to put it down. Oh my god. Okay. What the freak? Okay. I got it. Okay, I literally can't stay still. Okay. Okay. We are about to eat a tarantula. Hear me out. What if I just do a leg? Can I just do a leg, or do y'all want me to bite it? You know what? I think y'all want me to bite it, but that's kind of scary. Oh, it kind of stank. Hold on. I was about to put it. I was literally about to bite it, but it stank, and not too much on my list, but it literally smells. It smells like outside. Like it literally stinks. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! I literally can't. I don't know what's gonna come out. What was that? I can't swallow it though. It literally tastes like dirt. But okay, I'm just gonna bite it for y'all. 3, 2, 1. Ah! I can't. I can't. The way it was crunching, I literally can't. Here, I'll put his head in my mouth. I'll put his head in my mouth. All right, let's just do it. Let's just get out the way. No, thank you.